Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll dive into how to sell digital products in our store. Digital files, like photos that visitors can download and print themselves, are a fantastic addition to any online store. First off, you need to create a new product or duplicate an existing one. For this tutorial, let's start fresh. Go to Edit, then click on your products and click on Add New Product. Fill in the product's title and subtitle, set a price, and write a description. Next, upload an image, representing the digital product you're selling. Now, let's tweak the product settings to suit a digital product. Under Product Settings, we'll change the category and choose Printable Wall Art. Then we'll go to the Shipping tab and turn off This is a physical product. We'll switch to the Digital Download tab and enable Digital Download. Here, you can link to a digital asset. Since we don't have any digital files, let's start by uploading one. Click No Files Available, then click on Add a New File and select a file from your computer. The title is added automatically, but can be edited. Feel free to add a description and click Done to confirm. We'll then link this digital file to the product we created. And there you have it. Your digital asset is now successfully linked to your product. Once a purchase is made, a download link for the file will be automatically emailed to your customers, providing them instant access to their digital purchase. Let me show you where you can manage your digital files. Go to Libraries and Tools at the top of your admin panel and select File Sharing. From there, you can add new files as well as edit or delete the existing ones. Let's add a new file. Now, we'll link this asset to an existing product in our store. We go to our product list and select our product. Under Digital Download, we'll select the file we just uploaded. And there you have it. Your digital product is now set up and ready for sale. Digital downloads are an excellent way to expand your product offerings without the need for physical inventory. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.